Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to draw parallel lines in AutoCAD. Let's start. First select a line command, specify the first point on the screen, and let's say you want to make a straight line. Type the ortho on, and this is my straight line. Now if you want to make a parallel line up and down, we have to use a offset command. Type O, press enter. Now specify the distance. I will give distance 50 mm. Now select the line upside. So in this way you can make parallel lines upside, same way downside. Now if you want to make a parallel line at angle, select a line command here, specify the point and press at the rate, give the length of the line, I will give 500, then press tab and give the angle, I will give 45. Now again type offset, specify the distance, I will give distance 40, press enter. Now if you want to offset upside, click same way, the line will be offset. If you want to offset downside, select this line downside, move the cursor downside, the line will come downside. In this way we can draw a parallel line with the help of offset command in AutoCAD.